Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to fix Task Manager not opening error in Windows 10 PC. For this, you need to use a few methods and I will guide you through a step by step. First one is you need to re-register apps in PowerShell. For that, click on this one start button and then type here PowerShell. In the search results, right click on this one PowerShell entry and select here run as administrator. In case Windows prompts, click on this one yes button. Now you need to copy and paste this one command from this one video description. After this, press enter on the keyboard. This will take a few seconds to re-register. Once the command will execute, you need to go through the next step. Once this one command gets executed, close this one Windows PowerShell window and then click on this one a start button and type here registry editor, and in the search results click on this one registry editor entry. In case Windows prompts, click on this one yes button. In the registry editor window, all you need to copy and paste this one path and then press enter on the keyboard. This will take you up to policies key in the left sidebar. On the right, under this one policies key, you should find a system key in case it does not exist. Right click on this one policies key, select here new and then key option, name it system, then click outside. Now select this one system key and on the right in the pre space, right click, select here new and then debug 32-bit value option, and you need to name it disable task mgr. I will put all these details in this video description. In case you need it, you can copy it. Disable task mgr, then click outside and then double click on it and ensure its value data is set to 0 and then click on this one OK button. Now close the registry editor. Again click on this one start button and this time type gp edit, and in the search results click on this one edit group policy. In the group policy window, select this one user configuration, then double click on this one administrative templates, then click on this one system. Under system, double click on this one control plus alt plus del options. On the right, you will find this one policy, remove task manager. Double click on this and ensure it is set to not configured or this one disabled option. You can choose either not configured or disabled and then click on this one apply and then this one OK button. Now close the group policy editor. At last, again click on this one start button. Type here cmd. In the search results, right click on this one command prompt entry. Select here run as administrator option. In case Windows prompts, click yes. Here type sfc space slash scan scan now and then press enter on the keyboard. This will take a few minutes to complete. Once this one command gets completed, restart your PC once and hopefully Task Manager issue should be fixed on your Windows 10 PC. Bye.